My name is Caleb Gan from Jurong East Investor Center. Today I'm going to share with you maybe 3 stocks, okay, that we are watching currently. Now, number 1 stock is a Raffles Medicals that is currently in our watch list that we have been sharing with our client, okay. And if you look at the chart currently, Raffles Medical is a very nice uptrend stocks currently. Alright, this is an up trading system that I've been using. Okay, this is the system that I'm used to screen out the potential stock. And the first stock that I actually screened out is basically these Raffles Medicals. Alright, now if you look at Raffles Medicals recently, okay, the price pullbacks from $1.50 and as low as around $1.36. So if you look at today candlestick, the price actually recovered from $1.36 to $1.42. That is the price for today. Alright, so we have a blue arrow, which is the good news. Okay, so the blue arrows is actually to tell us when is the entry price, okay, when the price pull back. Alright, so this one of the stock, the favorites that we have. And another stocks, okay, is Franken. Right, today up pretty nice, okay, and of course the trend is the uptrend for quite some time. And if you look at the chart, pretty nice uptrend stock because we like uptrending stocks. That's give us some confidence for these stocks that it has potentials investor are buying, so that's why the price is moving up. Okay, so if you look at the price, every time when it pull back, when it reach around $2.20, the price will recover and rebound. Okay, so if you look at the previous candlestick, buy candlestick, whenever the price pull back, few days later the price will rebound again. So this is another of our favorite stocks, okay, Singapore favorite stocks. And the last one is a UMS. So again, it's an uptrending stocks. Alright, so if you look at the chart, again, every time when the price pull back, few days later the price will rebound again. So what is the key point here? The key point is the uptrending stocks. So if you can choose the right uptrending stocks, the chances are the price will move up will be higher. So based on the past records. And then the most important part is that if you don't have this system, you might want to ask how you're going to screen out these stocks or how to find this kind of stock. Basically, I have been sending these uptrending stocks to my clients, okay, those who have a trading account open with us, right? So basically we'll send it to them through the Telegram broadcast every day, okay, every day for Singapore market, for Hong Kong market, as well as the US market. So this is what we have been doing. Okay, because most of our clients are working people, they might not have time to look at the stocks. So we think that we look at the market almost every day. So that's why when we spotted any potential stock, then we will send it out to our client. So today I'm sharing with you 3 uptrend Singapore market, and of course today I'm just want to share with you what stock that we are looking at. And it does not mean for a buy call or sell call, okay, we don't do that. So just to share with you our watch list. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in another video. Bye.